Yes, welcome back to my channel at bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to perform detailed SEO, YouTube SEO using your Vidiq. So Vidiq is one of the best YouTube SEO tool that you can use to get more views for your YouTube videos. So they have their mobile app where you can download on both Google Store or App Store, and have their website. So I'll be showing you how you can perform do your keyword research using this great tool. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I post an awesome video like this. So let's move over to my screen and get welcome back. So as I said, I'll be showing you how to perform a detailed keyword research using Vidiq. So this is the Vidiq website. It's a YouTube SEO platform. You can integrate that with your YouTube channel. I'll be showing you all those things here. So and you can also download their extension. Let's start by adding extension on Google Chrome. So as you can see, let me go to YouTube. I already have their extension. This is the extension here. I've already installed that. So if you want to add the extension, you just click on extension. Once you click on extension, install extension on Chrome, you just click here. So once you click here, it will download the extension and you will install it, but you need to sign up with them. So let me first of all sign up. Sign up is free, so you can sign up. It's very easy to sign up with them, but I will drop in the link on the description box below. So once you use that particular link to sign up, you will get in a 50% discount anytime that you want to upgrade to pro version. So do well to make use of that link to sign up. So click on just sign up. So once you sign up, you put your Gmail account. Let me put this. Then you enter your password. Once you enter your password, it will sign you up. They will send you a link to sign up. But I already have account with them. It's very easy to sign up. So let me log into my and see I have a pro account. I have a pro account. This is Vidiq Academy. So this is their dashboard. So as you can see, this is keyword opportunity. They give you keyword opportunities. So this is channel start. So first and foremost, what you need to do once you have an account, you need to first of all add a channel. So depending on the kind of account you open, if you open a pro account, you will only be entitled to only one channel. So as you can see, I have already added one channel. So if you want to add a channel, it's very simple. Just click on add icon, then you search for the channel. Just go to YouTube. Let me search for Bizyjoe. So once you open, you just copy the link, copy the channel link. This is channel link. I'll copy it. Copy the channel link. I'll go back and put the channel to start searching for that channel. As you can see, I've already found the channel, and this is 2 years ago. So what I need to do is just to click on add. It's because this channel has already been there, that's why. So you can search any channel and put, just click on this, it will add that channel to your Vidiq website. So that's how simple it is. So first and foremost, let's move over to another, the daily idea. So this particular tab here, when you have a Vidiq account, Vidiq normally give you a daily idea, some suggestion of YouTube videos, keyword that you can produce content on. So as you can see there, I have 10 daily ideas for YouTube content that I'm creating. So they will give you 10 daily idea depending on your own package. My own package is just a pro package, so they are giving me 10. So what I normally do every day in all this package here, I'll come and do keyword research on them. As you can see, the prediction, this one is very high, this is very high, this is very high, this is medium. So, and this is dependent on your channel. You understand? It depends on your own channel, so it varies. So this is a very key advantage of Vidiq. Is a very good advantage of them. So then the next is keyword. So how to perform your keyword. So let's start by, let me type blogging. Let's say use for example blogging. Let me search for this keyword. So as you can see, when you search for any keyword, you can see the search volume. The search volume for this particular keyword is 187,635. Uh, so this is a very high search volume keyword, and the competition is the competition is volume, the competition is medium. So as a new YouTuber, you always focus on a low competitive keyword because it will be easier for you to rank on those particular keywords than the medium and high keyword. So let's look over to matching terms. So you see related keyword that have their search volume is either low or something that you can start working on. So this overall score is 74. This is actually good. This is actually good. So this is also good. Best inch for blogging in 2022. This is another good. So what I will do is that I can open this and see its statistics. This particular, so as you can see, the competition is very very low. Best inch for blogging in 2022. Wow, this is a very good inch to produce video on, as you can see. So what you need to do, you can just copy this particular keyword and put it on notepad. You can put it on a notepad. Okay. You can put it on notepad. Then you also see matching term. You see other related keyword here. You can even expand this. You can expand this and see these have very low competition. Then what you check again is the search volume. You see, consider those one with high search volume and consider making a video for them. So after considering this, what you need to do next is to check the videos on YouTube for that particular said keyword. As you can see, these are the videos on YouTube. So you can even, this video blogging in 2022 is not the same with that targeted keyword. It's not the same, and this video was uploaded 7 days ago. Start a YouTube channel in 2022 is not also the same. So when you produce a video for this particular keyword, it is going to rank high on Google, because as you can see, the search time is high and the competition is very 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 low. So that's how to perform a keyword research using Vidiq. So you can even search for related keyword and see other related keyword. Always focus on the competition and the search volume. The search volume. So anyone with low competition, then the search volume is something moderate, then you can consider making a video for that particular keyword. So you can go through all these things. So once you get your keyword, you need to just check all those keywords, just all those keywords, related keyword, because you can also rank for any of these. What you need to do is just to also copy those keywords and put it on your notepad, because you use them as tags when uploading your video. You will use all these keywords as tags when uploading your video. So you don't just leave it, you just copy it and also put it on your notepad. Just copy it, put it on your notepad. You also use it in the future. So once you have done that, you are good to go. You check matching time. Matching time are also related keyword. Then question that people ask. So as you can see, how to, these are some questions that people ask. How to choose best inch for blogging with low competition in 2022. So this question have 1026 volume search volume. So the competition is very low. Overall score is 64. So you can also include this question in your description. You can answer this question in your description. So this is how to use Vidiq. So you can still go to competition, but this competition is not something that I normally use. So you can So you can visit other tabs like subscribe, all those. If you want to upgrade, another thing, if you want to upgrade, you can just click on upgrade. Then you choose any plan that you want. You can start with the pro plan of $10 per month. So you can start, or you can go to boost plan. So any plan that you want, you can just choose and start enjoying the package. So this is how to perform YouTube SEO using vidIQ. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do it to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I post an awesome video like this.